In this video, we will show you how to access AIM from your student dashboard and apply your accommodations to your courses every semester. Once on the CSUMB website, click on Dashboard Login at the top right. Once signed in, expand the view on the left of your dashboard. Scroll down to Tools and click Health and Wellness Services and then SDAC AIM Portal. Once signed in, you will be prompted to complete any outstanding e-form agreements and sign your name. Then you will have this view where you can request your accommodations for the semester. Select the courses you're enrolled in and require accommodations, and then click Continue to the next step. Select the accommodations that you need and submit your request. Once your requests are submitted, faculty will be notified by the advisors. For additional assistance, contact us at sdac@csumb.edu or at 831-582-3672.